The culture on the project's fantastic, and we've got a really collaborative consultant team and contractor. There's been numerous occasions where we have had workshop sessions with a live model environment being used in the background, whether it's on a screen, etc., and talking through scenarios where we need to find resolution. We do that easily on a weekly basis. Yeah. I think for this particular project, the contractor has done really well with the engagement of the 3D model. They've got a whole meeting room set up with a large screen at the end, which allows them to bring in, whether it's a site team for a weekly standing meeting, and they can talk to what's happening that particular week, or it may be you're bringing in a particular subby crew when they're about to start on site, and they can talk through the project, their particular tasks, and go through the model environment to show them exactly where they're going to be and what they're going to be doing. So it's probably not new having a screen on site, but the fact that this one is a touch screen and has an interactive model to be able to view is fantastic, and yeah, it shows great foresight for that company to be able to know that that's where they want to head in the future.
We can see the thing going up, we can see the thing going up fast, and we know it's a product of the work that we've done together, and so much of it has been through the model space. Well, we used the model on the last project, and that was really around identifying issues in the documentation, whereas here I think we're using it for planning as a team, and you'd be surprised how intuitive it becomes with the iPlan table in the meeting room now. Instead of you leaving the meeting room to go and look at something, you're bringing it up on the screen, you're cutting to where you are, and you're haggling, arguing, agreeing with each other how it is, like how the detail works, and then you're able to have a really constructive conversation about how you're going to put it together.
When somebody can visualise something, and that might be that it's a complex knuckle, timber arrangement, steel, plate, whatever, just being able to physically see it and explain before we go into that environment as it's going to be, I think it helps the situation no end, because you can secondarily take all the what ifs that could be surrounding you or challenges of that moment at that particular time when it happens. Being able to see it front end has just been a game changer for us, really. And